Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.